I'm going to unbox this cordless robotic pool cleaner from Pool Pure. This is supposed to run for 2 hours in your pool, which is much longer than most above ground pool cleaners. So let me open the box up and see what we get. All right, we got our owner's manual, and then we have a little, and this is probably our charger, small little charger, which is nice. And let's see, we got styrofoam here. There we go. So the unit is wrapped up in plastic, which is really nice. Nothing else is down there. So the unit is kind of wrapped up in this bag. Oh, the handle comes up and down. That's kind of cool. Usually the handle's built in, a lot of them. This one, I like that that's kind of sleek right there. That's pretty sharp. Let's just take a look at it here for a minute. Look at that, staring at you. You've got two little sweepers here on the bottom, really large holes and openings for debris to go into. It charges here on the bottom. It's got 4 nice wheels on it. Let's open up the inside and make sure there's nothing in here that we have to do before we use it. Looks like everything is cleared out, which is nice. Got a pretty large cavity. I like how all this is connected really easily, and these are spring loaded to close back up. I assume too that this has to go on a certain way. Let's just double check that. Looks like it's got 2 different directions you could put it on, so you can kind of go back and forth. This part, I think, put that on there. You let that fall down and you'll just kind of pull both sides, and then that will get it to go. Your power button is here on the front. Hold it down and it starts flashing. Push again, it turns off. Yeah, so you have to hold it down to get it going, and then if you want to turn it off, you just have to push the button. But we'll get that charged, but there's what everything that comes with. Let me go plug it in real quick. So we simply have to take this plug and we'll put it on the bottom there, and we can see the light starts to flash, and I'm betting we want that to be completely solid before we use it. So yeah, there's your little pull back here from Pool Pure.